Hey YouTube family, I'm gonna make a quick video. I wasn't going to, but my phone's about to die, so I figured I'll make a quick video. Hey, if you've got a belt that keeps chirping after you put a new belt on, or it went away for a little bit to come back, hey, I recommend you checking the pulleys, the grooves in the pulley. I'll show you an example. This is down the AC compressor. You see how that rubber has built up over time in the grooves? Well, if the belt hits that rubber in the grooves, it's going to cause it to chirp. So you take a pick, go in there and clean the grooves out, piece of sandpaper. What I'm doing is I took the fan off and I've ran the engine. I don't recommend you doing that. You do that at your own risk, you know. You lose a finger, don't blame me. But yeah, just use a wire brush or a pick while it's running. That's what I'm doing. Just put it down in the grooves. You know, just be aware of where your fingers are at. Again, if you're not very experienced, I would do this with the engine off. Clean them, rotate the engine a little bit, clean them. Because I put a new belt on, that noise came back. I've already cleaned the idler pulley there. I don't know if you can see it. If you got paint on a pulley, you put a new idler on, sometimes that paint will cause them to chirp too. So I've done that, sanded the smooth part down, and the belt chirps that went away. Like I said, just a quick video. Check your grooves and your pulleys. You know, if you get that pesky belt chirp that just keeps coming back. You know, there's a difference between a bearing noise and a belt chirp, you know. Just make sure your mechanic or you check your bearings too, make sure there's no rust spots. But like I said, a belt chirp, to know if it's a bearing or a belt chirp, if it runs, if you spray it with, you know, some kind of brake cleaner, or, you know, even if you throw some water on it, if that belt chirp goes away, you know it's the belt, not a pulley. If the noise don't go away, you probably got a bearing problem. So, like I said, here's just a quick video. Thanks guys. Hey, like and subscribe to my page. Like I said, you know, I probably don't have the best videos, but hopefully there's some information there to help somebody. Thanks guys.